Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Yo, what is going on, Saucies, and welcome to Trepang Part 3. And yeah, so we're doing another campaign mission, and apparently we're taking down some kind of cult or something. I don't know. That's what I'm here to figure out. What do we got here? Grenades. Wait, what? Is it a fire grenade? I don't even remember how to throw grenades. I think it's G or something like that. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, here we go. None. I don't know, folded stock, I guess? I already got my shotgun here with me. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. I'll take a sniper. I don't think I've used a sniper yet. Wait. Oh, that's weird. I use my mouse button to zoom. I don't use... That's so weird. Okay. I think I'll take the pistol instead. Oh, no. Give me my shotgun back. Oh, it's a weapon part. Suppressor. Okay, let's take this.
106.
Oh, you scared me. I thought that was
Back you up if things get heated.
All right, I thought that was enemies, but it's not.
Got hostiles in
How do I... Wait, how do... Oh.
the first shot.
Q. Yeah, let me grab that sniper real quick. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. The game is like really expecting me to take anything but that sniper. Okay, hold up.
Cover's blown.
I did not mean to do that. I did not mean to do that. Where is everybody? Where's all the cultists? Bro, I don't see anybody. Oh, there's a guy. Am I blind? Is that a guy? That's a bench. Oh, here they are. Alright, buddies, you can just take care of everybody, I guess. I fall down there, I die. I can almost guarantee you that. Okay, whoa, what's over here? Intel. Ooh, intel in the form of scrolls. Oh, I'm going down, buddy. Shoot! I didn't take fall damage. Oh, that's cool. Gosh, this guy's mad.
Draw them out in the center so we can cover you.
Okay. Why do the cultists have guns is my question. Ah, hold up. What in the... We got some bomber guys here, apparently. Okay. Alright. Excuse me, sir. Alright, hold up. Boop. Oh my gosh, what was that? That guy just lit himself on fire. Whoa, buddy. Okay, I don't know what's happening.
106, drop a smoke for Spectre 2 to land.
Gotcha. Alright, there's smoke. What's over here? Hello there. That scared me. I'm taking this instead of my sniper because I feel like that sniper's kind of useless. Any other kind of sources of intel I need? More flame stuff. Wait. Yeah, G is grenades. Just... Yeah, so that makes sense. Oh, okay, so I got supplies. Alright, thank you, sir. Taking my favorite weapon. Thank you for dropping me that. Let's go into the building on our way. Open the door. It's a crazy door. Just complete stone.
All teams, 106 is
Somebody's coming down. I can't crouch anymore? Excuse me? Apparently not. That's a skull. Alright, I gotta go find the enforcer. I gotta go kill him. He's over there, though. I don't see anybody so far. Is there like an elevator?
Did you?
Okay. Okay. This is going to be great. Alright, hold on. I'm running out guns to a place. What the fuck did I just do? Whoa, buddy. Whoa, buddy. I think that's all of them. Yeah, just making sure. Alright. Oh my gosh, that guy. He's just insane. Hey there. Caught you behind you. You guys been lacking. Hi there. You're dead. Alrighty. Easy enough. Easy enough. Fixing his health. Oh, I have no ammo. Where's this guy? I'll take double shotguns. I don't know where this enforcer's at. Oh, maybe it's this way. It's auto saving, so it's got to be this way.
Did anyone else hear? Remember your name.
Whoa, buddy. Oh no. Oh my gosh! Why? Holy crap, dude. Oh my. All right. Good enough for me. Woo, that was crazy. Suppressor. No. Wait. Alright, I think we're good.
Spectre 3 infiltrated through the balcony, moving to search the mausoleum for Dr. Kramer.
I can't go out there. Okay.
Enforcer 106.
I bagged the enforcer? I didn't even see the main bad guy. I just kind of shot everyone that I saw. Pretty sure that was my objective. Oh my. Oh my. Alright, go.
See them from the rear! Oh, the thing's reloading!
Oh! Everybody's here! Oh my gosh, dude. Oh! What did I just do?
You're approaching the enforcer's position.
Oh my gosh! That was absolutely insane. Dude, there's so many of them. Hold on, no, I want my other gun back. Here we go. I actually had ammo for it. Okay, that's been very interesting. Back to it. We're all locked. All right. Oh my. Nope, I've actually got lots more grenades for you. Shit! Why is this guy not die, bro? Come on.
It's the best the Cabal has to offer. To arms! To arms!
Oh, no. Where'd he go? Did I kill him? Where did he go? Oh, that door's locked. Oh! Oh! Parkour! All right. All right, buddy. All right, come on. Oh, I need help so badly. Got him. Whew, that was crazy. Where do I go from here? Oh shit, that's the enforcer. Oh no. Oh shit. Okay, buddy. Calm it down.
Where are you?
Got him! That's what I'm talking about. Let's go, Colt officer. I'm taking this gun, bro. 400 bullets. Oh my gosh, this is insane.
All units be advised. The enforcer has been eliminated. Spectre 3, what's your status?
Oh man.
Get your hands off me, you fuckwits! Bastards!
Dr. Kramer's in custody. We're on our way back to the courtyard for extraction.
Okay.
Director, we've got unidentified helos closing in fast.
Oh no.
Oh shit, it's Horizon! They're landing everywhere!
It's Horizon?
But we're going to need backup ASAP!
Copy that. All teams fall back to the courtyard. We gotta keep that LZ secure.
Affirmative, we're on our way. Come on, you sorry sack of shit.
What?
I'm not a child. I can walk on my own.
Alright, can I go through this door now?
Your fire. We've got a VIP to look out for.
You're covered. On the move. Subject 106.
Oh my god! So those are the bad guys from the first campaign level we played.
Right in.
Oh my gosh, these guys are absolute mad lads, bro. Okay. Oh yeah, but this gun makes it all worth it. Right there. Hi there. Wow. This is the best gun ever. I appreciate this gun. Oh yeah. This intel. Go ahead and take that. Okay, so the Colt and the Horizon Colt have some beef going on with them, don't they? Wait a minute, wait. Can I customize this gun? I can. A suppressor on it? That'd be so cool. A scope? No, I don't want a scope on there. Some crazy music. Where's everybody? Whoa! That hurt me. I don't even know where I'm going, bro. I gotta reload this big weapon, bro. Oh, it's locked. I got no more ammo for this gun. Got him. Now he's dead. Is that all of them? No? Where's the last guy? Oh, I'm supposed to go this way, that's why.
Central, Dr. Kramer spotted. Moving to intercept. Switch ourselves. We've got Horizon Black Ops on our tail. We're heading underground. We'll find a place to... No,
Okay.
you idiots! Not there! Other way! This is coming, damn it!
These ain't they? Right.
That was cool. Just went ahead and assassinated those two guys pretty easily. Any scrolls around here for me to read? No? Oh, sir. Okay. Like I don't see me. There's a scroll. Go and pick that up. Thank you. Oh, I did not mean to drop my amazing gun. There we go. Whoa. Get me up, bro.
We got him.
Alright, think we're good there. Goodness, dude. I think you're dead, buddy. Whoa.
You weren't the first they sent to kill me. There was another.
Co-leader, patriarch. Oh.
Another. All of your predecessors lie dead, and so will you if you continue to walk in their stead.
That's an interesting concept you got there going, buddy.
Spare me the sin of killing another brother. Heed my warning. Leave.
Guy sounds way. She's trying way too hard. Priority objective. What is this gun? What? This gun is sick. I'll take this.
106, we could use some help here. Horizon's taken the courtyard.
Hey there, buddy. I have no ammo. This is just great. What in the...
Oh, what the fuck?
Whoa, buddy. Goodness. There's so much happening. Whoa!
Central, this is Dagger 4. We lost the
He just
courtyard.
destroyed.
Repeat, courtyard is lost. This is Spectre 1. Courtyard secure.
Take my shotgun back. Thank you.
Spectre 3, check in. We've lost
Okay.
contact with Spectre 3. 106, find out what happened to them.
Okay. Ooh, hello.
We'll watch over the courtyard.
Take this. Alright, this door now. Lots of doors in this. Is this the same door I just went to? This is the same door. Am I doing ring around the rosies? No. This is a whole new area. Wasn't I just in the courtyard though? Do they have multiple courtyards? That's crazy. This map is huge. Okay. Interesting.
That's a positive ID on one of Spectre 3's men.
What is down here, dude?
Let's see if we can find the rest of his team.
Oh no. There's not going to be any kind of monsters down here, is there? That would be quite unusual. Weapon part. Ooh, okay. Incendiary. Sounds good. I don't mind incendiaries, not at all. I'm gonna customize my shotgun again. Put that suppressor on there. Actually folded stock. What's this? Nothing, nothing. Unfolded stock. Okay. What is in here? It's a random room they're building, I guess.
We got confirmation that Dr. Kramer is KIA. Our top priority is recovering his research. Do what you can and pull out.
A good battle area, I guess. I can't go through this door. Oh, I'm supposed to investigate over here? I wasn't even paying attention. Whoa!
Looks like all of Spectre 3 is KIA.
What? He's still moving. I'll save you. I'll cut you down. Never mind. Dr. Kramer? He's dead?
Readout says that's Dr. Kramer's corpse. Guess this is a bigger loss to Horizon than us. Wait. Spectre 3 actual isn't accounted for. I'm pinging his helmet somewhere in your area. See if you can find him.
What? Somebody's in my area? One of my teammates? Right here? No. Hold up, there's a box right here. I just customized my weapon, so that doesn't really matter. Some guns over here. Can't turn on my flashlight for some reason. Oh, it's T, not F. There it is.
Body's missing. He could still be alive. Check the helmet cam.
Check the helmet cam?
I'll try to stream some of it.
What? Oh, that's the cult leader. But he just disappeared.
106. God damn. I'm seeing a lot of cultists closing in on your position.
Oh. Where are they coming in from? Wait, I don't have my shotgun with me. There it is. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Fire shotgun, dude. Who has a gun? Who has a gun? Oh my gosh, who has a gun, bro? Here we go. Who's through the enemy? Is that everyone? Am I supposed to go through here now? The flesh golem.
What the hell? I'm picking up a signal. It's Spectre-3 actual. He's wounded, but he's coming your way.
I guess he's coming through this big doorway. What? Where? Oh, he is over there. Damn it. I ran over here for nothing. Intel. Don't mind if I do. Throwing knives. Excuse me. That's cool. I haven't used the throwing knife yet. Alright. Let's go through here real quick. That's... Hi there, buddy. Oh, no, sir. right, buddy. Okay. How does he see me still? Okay then. Go ahead and leave me. Just go ahead and leave me alone. Oh, I'm dead. Nope, medkit. Oh no! Why is this? Okay, I think I'm getting him. Oh no. Finally.
Now we know what the scientists were
Just exploded.
building another super soldier.
Okay.
What else we can do here? Final task is neutralizing the Patriarch.
Yes, ma'am. I will go ahead and neutralize the Patriarch. Oh, I have to go backwards? Left, right, back and forth. That's how it works. Okay, come on.
So it's
Whoa.
true. You really are just like me. The question is, are you any better?
That's funny. He just disappeared, dude. We have to fight back in the courtyard again?
Director, Patriarch sighted at the courtyard.
Yep.
We're moving to intercept.
Negative. Hold fire, Spectre 1. Wait for 106.
I'm 90% sure I'm here. No? Oh, it's that way. Wrong big ass door. Wield serum? Excuse me? What? Now I can hold two guns at once. That's not what I wanted to do. Oh, wait. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. Yes. Double incendiary shotguns. Oh, this guy's going down. And I'm at a Baja Blast. This is a disgrace. Oh, of course he went down.
Escaping!
How did he not see me?
It's time to kick some ass.
Time to kick some ass. Let's get it. That is the coolest thing I have ever seen. Where's the next person then?
There's the monument.
There's the what? Oh my gosh, this is just so overpowered. This is so amazing. Excuse me? my gosh, why are there so many grenades? But he's using the grenade launchers to their advantage. Mad. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, I'm out of ammo. All right, all right, all right. Go, go, go. Wait. Compensator, okay.
They're falling back! This is our only chance! 106, you need to get to that monument before the next wave shows up!
Yes, I'm already here. Don't worry.
Find and kill the Patriarch.
I will. I will right now. Yeah. Is there a special code I need to put in? Do I need to jiggle my booty cheeks? See you boys later. Okay. Alright, I can't see them, so I'm just gonna stay down here. Oh my gosh, everyone's just dying up there, dude. I'll turn on my flashlight so I can see. What is this? Some armor? Someone just got exploded. Oh, hello, door. What also came down? Oh, I can't get off the elevator yet? There we go. What is this? Someone's face mask? Alright, time to kill the Patriarch. Oh, here we go. This is all the free stuff before the battle. We already know that. Oh, penetrator. Okay. Let me see if I can do that on this weapon. Look at my weapon skin, bro. That looks sick. None. Okay. Oh, I can't do it on this weapon. Can I do something on this weapon? Incendiary and full stock. No. Okay. Okay then. I think we are golden, man. Hi there. Hi there. Oh there. Everybody's burning. Well, I just took out all of them, and all their body parts are flying in the air. There's so much fire down here, dude. I'd like to get past all you. Ow, what was that? Just launched his body. Oh, no. Hey there, how you doing tonight? Gotta go around here. Alright, here goes nothing. I think I did good. Okay, that was satisfying. Where do I go now? Up down here? Oh, I can't reload. I only got 35 bullets, bro. Come here. Don't do the lasers. He ain't falling for it. Excuse me, I'm about to take your guns now. Or just pick you up and grab this pistol. That's cool too. Oh, I threw a grenade at myself. What about a grenade? Oh, that's a throwing knife. Never mind. Alright, here goes nothing. Oh my gosh, that is so intense. And I've only got a pistol that has no ammo. Wait, hold on. I can take one of their guns. I know that. Here, wait. Do one of them. Anybody else have the same exact gun? And then. Oh, I guess. Shit. Damn it. I need to find. Wait, hold on. Wait. A minute. Well, I did drop a weapon that's the exact same. There we go. Alright, 60 bullets. Shotguns are still good to go. Now, I think this is the place where we're gonna fight the last guy. Hopefully. Oh yeah, cutscene time, baby. Here we go. Whoa. Look at all those Horizon agents hanging from the ceiling. This is absolutely insane. He's just sitting there.
Today is a day of grieving. You are the second brother I must kill.
That's, interesting. Where'd he go? This guy's butt cheeks, bro.
In our darkest hour, my sons come to defend me. Can the syndicate
Oh, hello.
say the same to you?
Oh my goodness. Oh my. Alright, buddy. Alright, buddy. What? I've got tomahawks I can throw.
The last brother I fought was twice the warrior you were.
What? Where's he at? Die! Come on.
We will be the final martyrs.
Oh my god. There's so many. Oh my. Come on, dude. Not done with those guys. Alright, where's these grenade launchers? Oh no, he's coming for me. Okay. What is that? Alright. You keep shooting grenades at me.
My men are killing your specters as we speak.
Come on. Buddy can't handle the double incendiary shotgun strat. I'm not even gonna fight the other big dude. No point. You're done, buddy. You're done. You are done. Look at this. Look at this guy. Thinks he's all fancy with his cult crap. No, sir.
Break the cycle.
Okay, but he just got extinguished. That's crazy. All right.
We managed to cassevac some survivors from Spectres 1 and 2. What a fucking mission, sir.
That's crazy. I escaped, brothers. I escaped. All right, I'm gonna end the episode there after killing, you know, the cultists out up in here. So, yeah, when we get back in the next episode, I'm gonna do another campaign mission, and yeah, we'll probably check out some of the customizations. And this is the absolute meta of the entire game. Just this is it. Incendiary shotguns. Okay, bye bye.